Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix your problem when you're in Windows 11 and it says get the newer version of Windows to stay up to date, and it says your version of Windows has reached the end of service. So how you can fix this? Let's get started. First, open your start menu and then search for services. Click on run as administrator and then search here for Windows Update. Double click on it, and then here on the top you'll find background intelligent transfer service. Just right click on it and then click on restart. Once you do this, click on your start menu again and then restart your PC. After this, hopefully your problem solves, and if your problem still occurs, so make sure to comment down below so we can bring a detailed guide on this video. Alright, that's it for today's tutorial. I really hope this video helped you solve your problem or learn something new about your PC. My goal on this channel is to make everything about computers simple and easy, whether it's fixing errors, downloading software or any game, boosting performance of any Windows or any game, or understanding new tools. If this video was helpful in any way, don't forget to hit the like button because it really motivates me to keep bringing you more useful content. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any future tutorials, tips, and PC fixes. Also, if you're facing any issues or have any questions related to computers, Windows, software, or anything technical, drop them in the comments. I read all of your comments and I'll try my best to help you out. Thanks a lot for watching. Take care of your system, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.